Is your irrigation system a mysterious stranger that you don't know how to approach?
Don't worry,
we're here to help.
In this video, we'll give you some tools and tips on how to become friends with your irrigation system, so those monthly and seasonal adjustments are a breeze, not a headache.
First, let's get familiar with our irrigation system as a whole.
The major components of your irrigation system include your meter, your backflow preventer, potentially a pressure regulator, your main lines, lateral lines, individual zone valves, and spray and/or drip equipment.
To use your meter to test generally for leaks both inside and outside the home, check out this video.
Next, you'll want to turn on each irrigation zone one at a time to see how your irrigation equipment is performing. We'll be on the lookout for broken, clogged, or misdirected equipment. When making general adjustments, you want to consult the guidelines for your specific controller. These are typically found at the manufacturer's website's FAQ or resources page.
Hot tip!
Did you know that East Bay Mud offers a rebate for converting your conventional controller to a smart model?
Smart controllers can automatically shut off during rain events, often have an app for easy use, and more. Visit ebmud.com/irrigation rebates to apply. Once you've turned on a zone, you'll want to walk the area that the zone irrigates, checking for broken, leaking, or misdirected equipment. For drip irrigation, check for sliced drip tube from pruners or weed whacking, broken or clogged emitters, or the need to readjust the line.
For irrigation, we're going to be checking for broken and/or clogged nozzles, sunken or tilted heads, overspray, and misdirected spray. Remember to check for leaks in your lateral lines if you are experiencing low pressure. Look for sunken areas, wet soil, or weak irrigation patterns. Now that we've walked each of our irrigation zones, it's important to ensure that each of those zones is irrigating properly for the plant type and time of year that we are irrigating.
We recommend updating your schedule monthly, or at least quarterly, to make critical seasonal adjustments. Yes, even for those with smart controllers, it's important to review your settings often.
Hot tip!
Check out our irrigation guidelines, available in both English and Spanish.
Links below in the description.
Now that you and your irrigation system are BFFs, visit ebmud.com/watersmart for more water-wise garden tips.